everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cynthia Vlog, and welcome back to my kitchen, guys. And today's video, guys, is magluluto po tayo ng chicken with all these ingredients, guys. We'll call it chicken sweet and sour. So guys, samahan nyo po ako sa aking pagluluto ng chicken sweet and sour. Pwede na rin po nating gawin chicken sweet and sour yung may bones na chicken, guys. Pwede rin po yung breast lang. So, let's start na, guys, sa ating paghihiwa ng ating mga ingredients. So, I have capsicum here, guys, paprika, black pepper, lemon, onions, and this one, guys, is garlic paste, and I have also tomato organic. So I have also 2 eggs here, guys, and this one I will use the brown corn flour, guys, today. So let's start na, guys. First thing is i-marinate muna natin yung chicken natin, guys. So lagay po natin yung paprika, ayan, black pepper, lagay po natin yung lemon juice, guys, then garlic, then lagyan po natin ng salt, guys, just a little salt, ayan. Ito rin po yung 2 eggs, guys, so ihalo po natin. Ayan, guys. Guys, tignan nyo yung kulay ng gloves namin. It look like dirty, but it's not dirty. So, let's marinate, guys. Halo-haloin lang po natin na ganito para mag-spread po yung mga ingredients natin sa chicken. And then, i-marinate po natin siya ng 30 minutes. Ayan, guys. So, habang minamarinate po natin to, guys, ikat din po natin yung mga ingredients niya na capsicum, onions. Ayan, guys. So, i-marinate lang po natin ng 30 minutes, guys. Hayaan lang po muna natin, and then cut na po natin yung mga ingredients. So, let's go, guys. So, ito na po yung mga capsicum natin, guys, na cut na po natin siya. So, pwede na po tayo guys, ganito po yung aking way sa pagluluto ng sweet and sour chicken. Prito ko po konti yung capsicum. Ayan, guys. sunod po natin iprito yung chicken, guys. And then, lagyan po natin ng corn flour. Ayan. Guys, para siyang chicken joy, guys. Kasi ang lalaki po ng hiwa niya.